Chapter 2 Atomic Structure and Radioactive Decay. 2.1 The Atomic Model. Let's begin. What is the structure of an atom? The study of the structure of atom started 2000 years ago. The atomic model is always under-revised to give the best prediction and observation to experimental observations. 1. Whittaker's atomic model. The idea of invisible atom comes 2,500 years ago. Electron was discovered only about 100 years ago by J. Thomson. Later, Ernest Whittaker proposed a new atomic model with most of the mass concentrated in a tiny nucleus, in order to explain some very surprising observations in the Geiger-Masten scattering experiment. 2. Structure of an atom. Inside the nucleus, there are protons and neutrons. They are collectively called nucleons. The mass of a neutron is slightly larger than that of a proton. A proton is positively charged, while a neutron is neutral. If you compare the size of an atom with the nucleus, then you will find most of the space inside an atom is empty. 3. Atomic number and mass number. Different elements have different number of protons in their atoms. Each element has a unique proton number or atomic number, which may identify an atom. After all, an atom or nucleus of an element is represented by the following symbol, in which you may find a smaller number which represents the atomic number, and a larger number which represents the mass number of the element. 4. Nuclei and isotopes. An element may have different versions of atoms, as they may have different number of neutrons. These different versions of atoms are called isotopes of the element. Isotopes of an element have the same number of protons, but different number of neutrons. As isotopes of the same element have different masses, they have different physical properties. The nuclei of different isotopes have different number of neutrons. These different versions of nuclei are called nuclei. If the nuclei is radioactive, it is a radionuclide, and the atom is a radioisotope of the element. Example 1. Identifying isotopes. There are different nuclei. You may check their nucleon numbers and proton numbers easily from their symbols. Do checkpoint 1 on the next page.